Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see 5 best WordPress AI plugins in 2023. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now, let's get started. Here we go with the first plugin, that is RankMath. So this is something that is really best for SEO. So this plugin is available for WordPress today, so it's no surprise that it will be on the cutting edge of bringing AI possibilities into the SEO sphere. So this will be helping you to create an SEO friendly content and also ensures that your content is enriched for your readers and search engines. Here, when you provide it with a keyword, it will provide you with a similar long tail keywords that you can use to optimize your posts. Even further, you can even check out this plugin by yourself for free, or else the paid plan starts with just 59 per year. And also, we can just have this link in the description, so I'll be providing you with the link. And then the next plugin is AI engine. This plugin we have here is AI engine, and it can do it all when it comes to AI. So this is something that if you want a chatbot to assist your WordPress website, you can use this and create your own mini chat GPT in your own WordPress dashboard. And this has a prompts and templates which could be helping you to create AI optimized and generated content, and you can just produce descriptions and more right from your WordPress dashboard. And this AI engine can also help you generate images also, and for your blog post, as well as you can check out this for free, or else you can even have the plans that are starting from 49 per year. Next one is Uncanny Automator. This is something like an automator which is helpful in creating a powerful automation plugin. So it works similar to the Zapier but for WordPress. It can connect your WordPress site plugins and apps together to automate all of your tasks, whether you want to learn a dash to connect to MailChimp or use it to OpenAI to manage your comment section. So this automator can help you with the various plugins and tools you use to speak to each other. With the connections, like it has the connections with over 100 plugins and services managing your WordPress website. And here you have this free version available for you to try, or else the paid plan starts at just $199 per year. Next up is the Supreme AI Writer, which can be helping you to write the content, titles for your website. But also you can find other alternatives for the AI content writer assistants. So you can just search for them in this plugins, add new plugin. Go to the plugins and click on the add new plugin. Here you can search for an AI writer. So here we have better alternatives. And then the final one is Elementor AI. Let me just quickly search for it. Elementor AI. And here this is one of the WordPress Premier page. So here we have this Elementor website, and so this is WordPress Premier page and website builder plugin that will be offering you with the integrated AI solution for creating websites within Elementor. So it allows you to create custom HTML and CSS code snip, and it also allows you to create custom HTML and CSS code snippets. If coding isn't your strong suit, this can be extremely helpful in building better customized website with Elementor. And also this helps you to create new content or optimize your current content, and you can even shorten or extend or perform grammar and spell checks on content right within your Elementor page. And it is we are having this free trial available, and also you can see that the paid plans also. So these are the top 5 best AI WordPress plugins on the market. And this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.